Oh, need some tunes.
1, 2,
there we
3,
go.
2, 1, 2, 3.
I'm pumped. Super early. Yo, what up, G Styles?
They came in loud, left in the fog. Too much
What up, Tris?
talk, not enough dogs.
Who's ready for the weekend?
Small game shake, fourth quarter look like a bad break. You saw that glare, then you saw that fire.
Bro, I'm ready for the weekend. Saturday night, 8:30.
Hush now, count it slow. One more slip, and you already know. Knicks at 5.
It's time.
Knicks at 5. Win me chokes. Bustin' is your daddy. Bustin' is your daddy.
What up, Double O?
Say it right.
Getting all my trading stuff up.
Ha! Mid-range ice, footwork clean. He got that grin. You know what I mean? They talked all week, then missed that shot. Talk too slick, get clipped on the spot. Paint got crowded, hands got high.
Oh, man.
He reached for truth and got left dry.
I hope it is. I hope it is. I'm about to bring up the news. Let's see what the news is.
Big talk dies when the floor gets mean. Next and 5.
Oh, man. Yo, check this out. So I guess the U.S.-Iran deal gets closer. Iran Foreign Ministry says framework text is nearly finalized. That's at 6:37 this morning. Iran seeks war compensation in a realistic framework. Iran not to restore straight status to pre-war level. What up, Marco? Dude, I don't think they're gonna sign this shit, to be honest with you. Let me shut my AC up. I don't think they're gonna sign this. Trump's not gonna give them money. And the fact that they're not gonna go back to pre-war levels, I don't think I don't know if they're gonna sign this thing. Yo, what up, Corey? It just doesn't seem like a real great deal, to be honest with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, who's sitting there being like, this is a great deal? Oil sanctions on Iran can be lifted under the deal. See, U.S. wants it reopened, but they're saying it's not going to be reopened the same way as it was before. I bet you they try to take a toll or something like that. What up, Reese? I bet you they try to take a toll. Some shady shit like that. That's what I would think. They want to be compensated. Fuck that. Compensated. You get what you get, you don't get upset. Like I tell my kids. I don't know what's going to happen though, but I'm just looking at dude, I haven't been really on the gold train, but I might grab gold right here. Dude, gold's up a ton.
Order filled.
We're going to see what happens. Yeah, I haven't really been playing gold because gold's been in a massive downtrend. And if it's just going down, my strategy is not going to work. And I recognize that. So I just stay away from it. You know, it's just like, you know, when the conditions are good, ride it. When the conditions are not good, you just kind of stay away. We're staying away, but I think I'm going to jump back in gold now. I just been waiting it out. I had to reset my computer, by the way, so I had to redo my I'm redoing my things. Trying to think of what I had on here though. Dude, this is the worst. Redoing this stuff. Anybody actually in anything right now? Or are you just hanging? Just hanging around? Yeah, I set all these freaking ranges and everything. Yo, anyone trade London last night? Jeez. Dude, that was like a pop of pops. Holy shnikes, dude. Who, me? Just hanging around. Dude, I love that meme. That was like one of those memes I was fully on board for. I was like, this shit is hysterical. Yo, who's Beetlejuice is his name. Dude, that shit was hysterical. I don't care what anyone says. Like, there's some of these memes that like everyone uses, and I'm like, like that's not great. Like, I don't know. That one I was in on. I'm trying to think of some of the other like ones where I was like, man, that's great. Oh my god, that's so good. Bro, coffee just hits so good in the morning. Um, I am just looking. Oh, you know what I just realized? One quantity 0 0. I need to mess around with this guy. This guy gave me a script. I gotta play with the script. I gotta play around with the script. What up, Sammy? Oh, you know what? Actually, he sent me his settings. Let me see if I can find it. Boom. People send me stuff just to like see if it works, and that's where I'm at. Let me see what this thing is. 5, 5, 6, damn, 23. Dude, I got such a long weekend. Anybody watching the Knicks game this weekend? Holy shit. Gold just absolutely dumpy pooed. Oh, I'm just changing all the settings here. 5, 5, 96. Bro, what did I just change? Yo, I just did this whole thing. Bro, I just did this whole thing. Oh my god. Yo, I literally just did this whole thing and it fucked up. Did it fuck up? Oh, it didn't fuck up. RSI. $23. This guy gave me all these settings and I'm trying to do it. 15. Dude, I don't even know where he came up with this shit. 20. I don't think this makes sense actually. Yeah, I don't know about this. We shall see. I just added it. I don't know. If you're on a Dunkin' run, bro, you got to get making coffee at your house. Yo, Dunkin' Coffee's trash. You got to get this, dude. It's called a Chemex. Yo, I'm going to show you what this is. It will change your life. Get one of these. You get a filter that goes on the top, and you pour over coffee. It will change your life. I never thought so. I never thought so in a million years, dude. And the coffee tastes so much better. Like so much better. You'll never go to Dunkin' again. Don't get a metal filter though if you have. So like, I have a cesspool at my house. I don't even know if you guys. I don't have sewer. I have cesspool. If you have cesspool, you don't get a metal filter because to clean it out, you don't want to put the grinds down your drain.
Order filled.
But yeah, Chemex, you won't do a Dunkin' anymore unless you do one of those other coffees that are like. I drink my coffee black, so if you're drinking like with a frappuccino or something, then you're gonna still go to Dunkin'. Just throwing it out there. I'm changing lives with coffee. Changing coffee lives. Man, oh man. Yo, one of my friends told me about it, and I was like, get out of here. I was using K cups at the time, dude. Um, and he gave me coffee, and he's like, just taste this. And I was like, man, that's good coffee. Like, what is that? And it was like some like no name brand. He's like, dude, every coffee just tastes better in the pour over. I'm playing around with this guy, the strategy here. I don't fucking understand. I'm going to have to. What's the TP and SL on this? I don't have time to freaking. I don't have time to. I have no idea what this is. Fucking weird. Oh. Come on, gold. Bounce off WAP. I'm also liking this indicator again. We see the higher time frame candles off to the side. I got sucked back in. I don't know why that happens. I don't want hour. I want 15-minute. Yeah, so you see the 15-minute? Building buffer takes forever on what, Romeo? What you talking about? What are you talking about? Take profit trader? Live account? See, like this is a 15-minute fair value gap inversion. On TPT, I mean, you'd have to build that buffer on any account to get a payout anyways. Like Apex, you need to do it. Tradeify, you need to do it. Like all of them, you're going to need to build some type of buffer. This just came down and touched the 15-minute.
Order filled.
I'll take a little shot ski. Oh, you're talking about that because it's a trail? Yeah, because you can't just let it move around, man. You got to take profits because you don't want the trail to, yeah, you don't want to lose your auto trail. I hear you on that, though. Come on. I'm just looking to get some beer money right here.
Order filled.
Don't worry. As soon as I get out, it will go. There you go. I sacrificed my contracts for you guys. Yeah, you can't just set it and just leave it and let it move. Damn, would have hit my TP. Would have hit my TP. Actually, it's looking freaking awesome right now. See, like that was during the regular session, I'd probably hold on to this. Israel is pressing to prevent unfreezing of Iranian assets as part of ceasefire agreement. Dude, Israel doesn't want a deal. They just want to keep fighting. They want no deal. They want it to be a no deal deal. That's for shit sure. I don't understand why they don't want to end it though. Because they're taking, they're taking losses also. Oh. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh. Just another X video about the Knicks and people going crazy. Should have held on. Should have held on. Let's go gold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got my money back. Got my money back. Back to even. I just got a bad entry. Should have just waited for it to come back to VWAP. Should have just waited. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's see what TC's doing. Let's see what's up today. Hims is up already. Bloom Energy's up. Good. Let's see what else is up for me. Hood. I need SoFi to go. Well, SoFi's up a little bit. I need SoFi to rip. SoFi needs to take a nice ripping. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what my general bias says for the day. Let's see what we got going on. Look at this shit. Honestly, dude, I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way back up. The business lens. Yo, are you what's the deal? Are you a business? What is the business lens? I'm kind of interested. I wouldn't be surprised if they make a push, if you consolidate right here and then push out of this. I think you're on the verge of breaking out. Getting back over like 29,900 might just break this out. No business? So what is the business lens then? What is it? What is the actual business lens? Like when you were creating the business lens, what was it supposed to be? Oh, you made a video. Oh, here it is. You make videos on inspiring struggle and success stories of businesses. Oh, there you go, dude. Dude, that's a great idea. You didn't want to stick with it? Oh, dude, this guy is fucking. You don't think it? You made one video, man. I think you had a good idea. Honestly, I think you had a good idea. What up, deuces? You're at max consistency. What'd you do? Take a short, or you took the bounce? Yo, yo, fucking trying to sell this freaking building. I'm a chop master. What the fuck is a chop master? Would you? Would you just play the chop in this after hours? Dude, whoever was up during London made a bag. I can tell you that right now. Trying to sell this freaking building, and I got this broker that's messaging me. Bro, I'm so over fucking brokers. I'm so over. Trading chef? Bro, this guy. See if I can get this freaking. Oh. What up, Michelle? Yo, what are you using to play the chop? You got some, you play an indicator, or what are you doing? Just buying and selling the same high and low? Oh, I'm gonna take this back up. I think I want to see where we close on this 15. I'm probably gonna take this up. It's not much, but I'm probably gonna take it up like 20 points. ICT, SMT, BLT, IUD. What are you using? Yeah. Yo, I should just start making up names for shit, and then just people, one person will use it, and then hopefully it catches fire. What up, TJ? Holy shit, gold just dumped. Is there fucking news out? NQ just took a little dumping too. Oh, this is what I need. Hold on 1 second. I had to restart my thing, so I am oh whatever fucking the fuck is that? I have no idea what this fucking zigzag line is, but what the fuck is this zigzag? I don't know what that is. I kind of like this though. Bullish breaker, yeah. I might use this. Order blocks. Let's see which other ones we got. I can't believe I lost the ones I was using. I am not a fan of that. Oh, I don't know what happened to him. I don't love how this one. See how this one carries over? I don't love how this one carries over. I don't even know what the fuck. Dude, oh, put it up here. Oh, I know what this is. This is only breaker blocks. That's what this is. Okay, cool. Oh, I'll use it. Damn, this thing's just selling off. We're about to sweep previous day high. Yeah, this is no bueno. Over 20 ships escorted through the strait on some nights. I guess they can only. What's up, Juliet? I think they can only. Are they only pushing these boats through at night? Dude, that's not good. Manifesting passing my first ever eval. Woo! 900 to go. What prop firm? What prop firm is it with? If I had to guess, it's a Lucid account. Oh, Tradeify? All right, so that's an end of day account. There you go. You're right there. $900, you are right there. That's like, if you think about it, you only need 5 points with 10 minis, and you got it. Right? 5 points. That's all. You only need 5 points in the market. 10 minis, 5 points. That's so easy. Yo, what up, Rosales? No, I'm just joking around. I would not go 10 minis for $900. I was just joking around with you. We were just having some fun. I'm debating on taking a quick long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see where this brings us. I don't love it. I don't love it at all, but it's pre-market. We're gonna play, have some fun. I just can't sit here and do nothing. I fucking hate pre-market. Dude, Anthropic is owned, 20% of Anthropic is owned by Amazon. Who else owns Anthropic? I should just ask, oh, you know who owns them? Who hasn't like ran? Bro, Zoom owns Anthropic. I'm gonna ask Claude actually. Who owns Anthropic and what percent do they own? What public companies own Anthropic and what are percentages? I'm gonna see if there's a move to be made right here, actually. Like Amazon hasn't even moved, and they might make like, dude, they might make a ridiculous amount, like 200, $300 billion off of this. Probably gonna sell 35 puts. I don't mess with 830. Yeah, it's fucking. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge bro. Claude actually gave me the worst fucking answer I could ever imagine. What is SKM's ownership? What is SKM Anthropic ownership? So SKM invested 100 million in Anthropic. So their stake is worth about 1.5 to 2 billion dollars. Now, what is SKM's market cap? Let's see what this is going to move it. So their market cap is 15 billion, and this is going to give them 2 billion, which is approximately 10%. I don't know if it's going to really move the needle, to be honest with you. What up, Fred? Well, that's VWAP. Bro, this shit's like cooked. I think we're going to get a bounce very shortly. This is
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Push it, little buddy. Yo, what up, Jip? Well, that's why you take some profits. I don't know if that's going to move the needle. I love that Amazon owns so much, and Amazon's gone nowhere. You're going nowhere. The fuck is this? Someone set loose 2 AI. Dude, that's crazy. I got to do this polymarket AI shit, to be honest with you. It seems like there's money to be had. I've been playing around with the weather. I gotta dig deep in this shit. That's my weekend project, I think, is dig into Calci and Polymarket with using OpenClaw and Claude and see what I could do here, because it's just so crazy. Damn, this thing's just fucking unloading. I guess no one believes that the deal is done. Oil's not really pumping. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let me video. Let's see if this is, I don't know if this is the same room. Yo, what day, Chris, what time does it come out? Do you know what time it actually comes out? Are you gonna play it? Holy shit bags, this thing's unloading. Yo, what up, Black? I'm here for the options and futures sauce. All right, what do you want to talk about, man? I'm always up to talking about this. What would you like to talk about? Or what are you in right now? And then we can have a conversation about it. Or what are you looking at? Let's start there, man. So, Chris, I don't know if it still works, but there used to be an IPO strategy I used to play. So the IPO would come out and you would wait about 15 minutes and then you would buy. And you can almost, I used to be able to scalp it like 90% of the time. Because it comes out, they kind of sell into the market and then it kind of bounces. But yeah, I'm in for some stock options talk. I'm trying to get enough people that are into it that we can create a little section in Discord and just put all our information in there. So I do not trade. So if you're going to trade options, you're mostly going to trade like the Qs or SPY. I don't trade that when it comes to options. I am mostly selling puts, and that's how I build stock positions. So I'm collecting premium every week by selling puts. And the worst case scenario is if the stock drops, I end up buying the stock at the strike price I sold the put at, but I also collect the premium. And then once I own the stock, I'll either sell out of the money calls or I'll just hold the stock because it's a stock that I wanted. Most likely, I start selling out of the money calls. It's technically called the wheel strategy, but sometimes I'll roll the options back and forth to maybe not get it. Or if I sell out of the money calls and I see that we're starting to move, I'll roll to further out expirations and things like that. So I'm still collecting premium, but I'm rolling. Yeah, I'm probably on average, I'm making one options trade a day. Like I am not day trading options. I guess you'd call it like swing trading. Dude, this thing is just fucking dumping. Dude, is
Order
something
filled.
going on? I just took a shot. Is something going on? Is there some type of news? Spreads are good. Like if you want to day trade like Qs and stuff, I would use spreads. I just grab. Yeah, options lose value. I am not into losing value. The thing about puts is I could be wrong and still
Order
make money.
filled.
You know what I mean? Like I could still be very wrong and still make money. There's not many things like that.
Order
You know
filled.
what I'm saying? Oh, here you go. The claim of signing the agreement on Sunday in Geneva is pure falsehood. Oh, baby. I just want
Therefore,
to see what
both
this sounds
announcement
like.
of Sunday and the location of Geneva are completely denied.
Yeah. So the only calls I buy, I'll buy leaps. So for argument's sake, like, say you have like hymns at, here, I'll just take an example. So say like hymns, right? Now I'm not in these, but instead of buying the stock, maybe I buy like January 27, so that's 217 days away. Like maybe I buy, $8.28 calls, and then I end up selling $44. So I collect $4 there. So it's only going to cost me $4. My break even is at $32, and I got 217 days for that. Anytime I buy premium, I'm going to sell far out of the money so I can collect something back. I never want to just buy premium. Ever buy
filled.
premium.
Order filled.
When you're buying premium, that's how everyone loses their shit all the time. When people talk like, "Oh, I got into options and I lost a ton of money," they always bought premium. Not one person is like, "Oh, I sold and I end up with stock." Like, nobody. They're all buying premium, and they're all buying like shit that expires less than a month away, and they're all getting hosed. Don't be that guy. Everyone learns a valuable lesson there.
Order filled.
You know what I'm saying? If I talk to all these guys
Order filled.
that that are trading options, and you hear horror stories, everyone was buying calls and they were all expiring within a month. That means you got to be fucking right. And you got to be right like within like 3 to 5 days. Otherwise, your premium just starts going away. And if the stock starts going against you, dude, you're getting hosed by theta and the stock going against you. Nobody wants to get double-ended. Yo, if you're buying premium and the stock goes against you and you're getting theta, you're getting Eiffel Towered. You do not want to get Eiffel Towered. Just keeping it reals. What up, Jim? I don't understand why my quant tower is not loading. I think a lot of people don't understand what's going on. I think a lot of people just don't understand what's going on. So I don't mean to ruin anything for you. I'm just trying to help you not lose money, man. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want to see someone lose money over something like that. I just know a lot of people don't understand the option stuff, and and no one wants to fucking help them out either. So. What up, Austin? I think if you're just dipping your toe into it, you should stick with companies that you don't mind owning for a while, which is typically the big companies. But you're gonna make less money with them. But I think your goal should be just to make money in the beginning. I don't think you should worry about how much you're making. I think you should just learn the ropes of the whole thing. That's probably your best bet, right? I probably that's a good way to do it. Just learn the ropes. Just doing, yeah. I would stick to yeah. I'm just thinking it. I'm thinking out loud about it. Damn, this thing's just freaking tanking. Come on, keep it fucking going. Further. I literally got in this and 3 seconds later it just dumped. Yo, how low are they going to push this thing? Is the question. Don't. I wasn't even planning to make that trade, to be 100% honest. Wasn't even planning to make it.
So it's
I
now
just
been a
kind of fucking. I opened up Quant Tower and clicked the button, and I wasn't even sure what account I was
signing
in.
agreement with the US on Sunday in Geneva are false.
That was a TPT Pro account. That was $188. I didn't mean to do it.
Order filled.
I think this is just gonna fucking go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, look at that. I got the freaking bottom on that. Oh, yeah, boy. What up, John? Yo, I think he left. Black Plaque. I don't know if you're still here, but I hope I helped you a little bit. On to the next. On to the next. I should have taken that at my other pro account. Dude, I'm looking for something in my fucking office. Where the fuck is it? Fuck. What lucid account is the must rule friendly? Oh, Mosher. If I were you, I would do the 50K flex. If you haven't bought one yet, it's 50% off. There's no consistency on funded accounts. Yeah. Yo, what up, Simone?
Data Fed funds rate unchanged at 3.62% 11th of June.
What did he just say? I think the whole shit's gonna dump.
Order filled.
I'm waiting for a full-on flush.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Come on. I'm hoping too. You and me both. Just dump it. Just give a fucking big ass candle here to the downside. Just dump it.
Order filled.
See, it wasn't. It like kind of stopped pushing, so that's why.
Nasdaq futures down 0.3%, S&P 500 futures flat, Dow futures up by 0.3%.
That's so crazy that they're denying what Trump said. They have no consistency rule on funded on Lucid. Oh, gold? I don't trust any of this, dude. Oh, I just want to see something real fast. I just don't trust any of it. Bro, SpaceX IPO is gonna be wild. Dude, that feels so fake. I don't know why. I got that at the bank, but it feels so fake. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So crazy that they just deny the dude, I'll be honest with you.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, push it through. Push it out. Yo, hold on one second. I gotta go pay somebody real fast. Hold on. Give me 2 minutes. Yo, I'm back. Oh, my bad. Oh, look at this shit. Oh, look at that. Yo, who took this?
Order
Yo,
filled.
who took that trade? Smash the freaking confetti. Who just grabbed that shit? Boom. Dude, honestly, the rules with Legends, I wouldn't even get an account right now, to be honest. Wait until they run a massive deal. I'm just keeping it real. I wouldn't. And Rich, oh no, I was thinking Austin. So I'll show you why I took it. I literally took it off this inversion. Took out London Open, came up, inverted. It was so, yeah. Activation fees $100. They'll run crazy deals though. Like they'll run buy one get one free, and activation fee is like less. They got some weird funding rules too. I'll tell you what they are. I know they just redid their plans to make them a little bit better though. What'd they do? They have like weird, like they got like a weird funding rule. I gotta fucking find it. Yeah. I know you have to trade 8 days. And I think each one of the days. So you know how like Lucid is like $150 a day? I think theirs is like 8 days. I know they push you live early too. I'm just like, do I trust that you're going to get paid by them? Yes. Do I think they're top? At first, I thought Richard was Austin. That's why I even got into this conversation, because Austin has trouble at every prop firm, and I just tell him to just use Take Profit Trader. That's who I thought Richard was at first. I don't know why. That's where I thought. Let me just type in payouts. Because Austin had that problem with Apex. Like, I have no idea what some of this shit is. Like, what the fuck is a rollback payout? First payout after 15 winning days, second payout after 25 winning days. Like, I don't even know what some of that stuff is. I tell everybody that, TJ. Like, Take Profit Trader is the way to go. Austin, you're not the only one. Yeah, I don't. Somebody told me some other stuff. I know people have gotten paid by them, so I'm not. Dude, the FAQs on some of these places, and it's not just them, are just so awful. They allowed Austin back. Austin's back with Apex, but he can only go live. Yeah, I got such allergies, I think. Holy shit. I don't know what the deal is. Like, there's like just some weird shit. I forget what it was. I will say that they have interesting plans where it's like end of day is 2200, profit target is 2700. Like, that's super legit. Obviously it costs more, but
According to IRIB News, Iran says memorandum of understanding with US is under internal review.
I have a friend that said they were putting him live 8 weeks ago, and he has access to a dashboard. I think they're just working on it, Austin. Do you guys like that? That's financial juice.
So from this then, from IRIB, they say official information about any agreement is conditional on reaching a final result and will be provided immediately thereafter.
You actually hear it before it hits the website.
They also say the details regarding the method of signing the understanding will be discussed in later stages, and what has been mentioned so far in this regard has mostly been within the framework of media speculation.
I'm trying to see what the delay is. Dude, it's a pretty good delay. Still hasn't hit the website yet. Dude, this signing of this document shit is getting out of control, how it's back and forth. I have not gotten a payout from them. I'll be honest with you. I used them when they were 90% off, buy one, get one free. And then, like, they don't really offer anything that, like, other firms don't. Like, you know what level they're at? They're at, like, the elite trader funding level. Like, there's, like, the A firms. I think you'd get paid, but, like, if you rang up a big bill, do I know if they'll pay you? I don't know. They might just push you live. Like, if you made 15 grand in there and you were going to get a payout, they might just push you live and you get none of that money. Like, I could see them doing something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't. There's firms that I always have accounts with that they're not on the list.
Also, Iran's Noor News now citing informed sources saying memorandum not finalized in Iran, and they deny signing in Geneva on Sunday. So, reminder, you had Fars News citing an informed source that claimed the signing of the agreement on Sunday in Geneva is pure falsehood. Now it's getting across some of the other wires now in Iran, Telegram, Iran's Noor News now, as said, citing informed sources
Yeah,
saying memorandum not
Fadias.
finalized in Iran.
Yeah,
They
Fadias did
deny
that to me.
signing in Geneva on Sunday.
Yep. Think about the money Apex is tying up on people. It's got to be millions they're saving. How I don't know how they're saving money, or by pushing people live. Yeah, I mean they all do it. They all do it. What they should do is they should pay you out and then push you live. But that's just not the way it works. That's why I wouldn't ring up any bill with any firm that's like, I would do it with Take Profit. I have no problem with Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify will pay you, My Funded Futures will pay you. You know, the rest of them, like if you ring up a big bill, they might push you live early. I'm just being honest. some are just cut and dry. Traders launch is won't push, like Traders launch is very like, this is, they won't push you live early. They just follow the rules and that's it. You know, like people complain. I just say, hey, go use Take Profit Trader, and then you know that's the way everyone should. Like honestly, if you could only pick one firm, Take Profit Trader offers you the best of everything. The best rules, no consistency on funded accounts. You could have 5 when they push you live. You can still have 5 live accounts. Like after that, I would use Lucid. But yeah, Fidias did that. Fidias, I was up. I had like $10,500 in profits that were taken from me, and they pushed me live. And they told me the sim profits don't count. So, you know, listen, I'm just giving you guys my experience with everything. That's all I could do, right? Man, this market just might dump at open, by the way. Just an FYI. You might be looking at a massive dump ski at open. This is the structure of normally we push out, but I'm just, it looks like whatever Trump was saying yesterday was false. Or at least they're denying the whole thing. I think he did a really good job, I'll be honest with you. Other presidents probably wouldn't have lied, but he lied and it kept oil from getting out of control. That was his goal. And, you know, that was his, what up, Trevor? That was his goal, was to keep oil low. And if he starts talking about a deal, they'll lower oil. And look where oil's trading at. It's trading at 85. At one time, I mean, oil was freaking over $100. It was like $120. And basically, he just lied about a deal to get oil down. And that's all he cared about. He did exactly what he needed to do. And, you know, and you can call, like, obviously he lied, but, you know, that's what he wanted. You know, instead of just staying quiet about it and letting oil go to $130, $140 a barrel, then everybody would bitch that, oh, my gas pump is super high. Well, you know, the guy is going to lie and he's going to keep it low for everybody. I mean, I'm not like a huge Trump supporter, but I think that that was a pretty good move. You know, and I think Iran keeps denying it in hopes that oil goes up. You know, if I'm Iran, I want oil to go up to put pressure on Trump, and Trump will lie to take the pressure off him to bring oil down. You know, what up, Schulster? I think that's the game that was played between the two countries, and Trump won. Oil sitting at $85 and not $125. You know, I think that's what happened. I mean, I think it was a smart move. I think he outplayed Iran in this whole deal signing thing. Because if it was Biden, he probably wouldn't have said any of that shit, and oil would have went out of control. Like just how gold went out of control, where we went from 2,000 to 5,500. You might have had oil go from like $70 a barrel to like $180 a barrel, just go freaking bananas. And, you know, he kept it in check. He kept it in check by just saying that we got a deal and things are looking good. Because if things are looking good, people are not going to bet that oil is going to go up, you know? And that's that's what he did. He manipulated the market of oil to keep it low. I mean, that it's blatant. That's what he did, but it was good. Nah, he would have sent them money like Obama did. He'd have been like, "Yo, here's some money." Dude, I don't even know if Biden knew that he was a president towards the end. All right, this is about to open. Yo, yesterday my stop loss didn't even work on Quant Tower. That was the craziest thing I've seen. It literally just didn't work on Quant Tower. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Dude, I think I have an issue here. Oh, I need to ask Sean when he gets on this thing what the fucking deal is. All right, I'm going to play. Let's see what we got. Oh. Come on. I'm trying it on this platform. Yesterday it froze also. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. I don't know.
Fundamental kinetic weekly market on open imbalance data.
Voice news disconnected.
We're about to see what happens. Got 30 seconds. Oh, this thing's just going to go. Come on. Oh, I hate this.
Order filled.
Actually, there's no, what do you call it? I kind of don't mind that. Holy shit, that just absolutely fucking piled out 100 and something points at open. I don't even think it's done. I don't even think it's done, but we'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just got out at basically even. Holy shit. Dude, that's just freaking... I think it's going to come up and then it's going to go down.
Order filled.
Just fucking unload it.
Order filled.
Oh, baby. Yo, until this settles down, I'm going to use a lesser account.
Order filled.
I think it has a ways to go.
Order filled.
Oh, man. Come on. Just remember, it's going to be very back and forthy right now. You got this imbalance right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, shit. Look at that. How did I know it was going to bounce there? It's so crazy. Oh. Come on. Come on. Anyone playing this? Jeez, this thing's just fucking going. Just going. Oh, is it going to come all the way back? Oh, dude, I can't. Look at that. Fucking had the bottom. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Damn, this is crazy. There's another imbalance right there. What up, Learn? Dude, this thing's just cruising now. Bro, Knicks play tomorrow, 8:30. I wonder if this is just gonna freaking. Oh, we're right in the middle of the range. We're right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, it's just building out this little flag I'm kind of worried about. Oh, come on. Come on. Push! Dude. Oh my God, you don't even want to know. I went to click and I got this alert and it didn't click me fucking in. Oh. Did Tradeify just freeze? Oh my God. Bro, who just got dick kicked? Holy fuck.
Order filled.
Also, Trump on Truth Social saying with them there is no such thing as stealing good faith. Also, their totally rebuffed drone attack last night against Indian ships leaving Hormuz Strait is totally unacceptable. They better get their act together and fast. So again, just Trump on Truth Social saying that Iran better get their
Order
act together
filled.
and fast. And the terms that Iran leaked out to the fake news have nothing to do with the terms that were agreed to. Seen some movement towards the downside on the further down some movement on the S&P 500. A little bit of movement towards the upside on the Dixie. WTI moving towards the upside off the back of the Trump Truth Social post.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yo. Yo, it's going fast. Life is coming at you quick over here. Yo, somebody who was playing flags probably just got their dick kicked in on that.
Seeing, as I said, oil pairing losses now. Brent trading above $89 a barrel.
Yeah. Some guy's like, oh, my flag just freaking got dick kicked. Oh. Oh, this thing. Come on. Yo, what up, Sean? Are you in? Uh, yo, you there?
Yo, what up?
Just the freaking crazy news.
Yeah, did you catch that short?
I caught a bunch of shit. I'm up. I'm up a lot.
I caught a mini on that short from
Treasury
the top.
yields on days highs after Trump comment on Iran.
I was
Further declines on the S&P 500
I was down
on
a
the
little
back of
bit
Trump's
in the
comments.
Thaddeus account. Dicking around this morning.
A little digging around.
Yeah, so I made all that back plus $700.
Yo, DXV doesn't delay in the morning, which is interesting. It did yesterday on deep charts, but today it
It
did
usually
not.
doesn't.
Yo, how do I select other accounts? Like I clicked, look at my screen. I click account selection. There's only one account here.
Go. Did you blow your other account?
No, it was down $400 yesterday, and that was it.
That's weird.
And it's in the back end. I don't want to go in the back end. It has all my like info, but
Shoot me a screenshot of the back end later, and
Oh.
I'll get that fixed for you.
yeah, I'm gonna leave here anyways because that account's my morning account. Here. Yeah, if anyone ever has any issues with Trader's Launch, just message Sean.
Yeah, I can get it handled for you.
Oh, you know what?
What? Or did you pass it?
No. It said I lost $400, but somehow it says more in the back end. Maybe it's not an issue. I don't know. The whole thing froze yesterday. It's all good. I don't.
Okay. I
You
mean,
know
you're
when-
gonna get it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm all good.
Cool.
I got this streaming the news now on here.
Order filled.
What? Yeah, I heard that in the background.
Oh, I'm gonna get fucked.
I don't know.
Yeah, I got all these fucking. How do I stop the alerts coming up on my screen?
What alerts?
I have these alerts. How to stop. How to stop browser alerts. Push notification. Settings, privacy. Settings. Privacy and security. Dude, I don't understand. Site settings.
Today's gonna be a wild day. I have a feeling. A lot of back and forth in the news.
It is already. It's crazy.
Nasdaq's extending losses, last down 0.7%.
There we go. I
S&P
just turned it
500
off.
down 0.3%.
Bro, the notifications on Google are coming over my buy and sell on
Oh shit.
on Quant Tower. I'm like, I can't do anything.
10 minutes to the top of the hour, we get the University of Michigan Center prelim forecast 46, prior 44.8, with a range of 50 to 42. Also, 5-year inflation prelim forecast 3.8%, prior 3.9. 1-year inflation prelim forecast 4.9%, prior 4.8. Expectations prelim forecast 44.9, prior 44.1, and conditions prelim forecast 46.1, prior 45.
Hourly chart doesn't look good.
No, but I think we're gonna pop. I need to close. I'm bringing up my. I don't like that the news is coming out like.
What news do we have?
University of Michigan sentiment.
Oh. In 10 minutes. Yeah.
The SpaceX shares indicated to open 29% above IPO price in debut.
Yo, this thing's just diddling right here at fucking 300.
According to US official now, just being cited by what we already saw from Fox News, that Iran nuclear material would be destroyed and the deal and nuclear program would be dismantled, and Hormuz would open under the deal, and Iran wouldn't get any money until they perform. So, reminder, we put this out from Fox News reporter citing a White House official, just being picked up by some of the other major news wires now.
Do you guys like the news? Do you guys like listening to the news? Someone tell me in the chat if you like the news. You hear that news before it's on Financial Juice, by the way. Sean.
It sounded like Tasty Trade.
Nah, it's juice.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Dude, this is tight, man. This is just super tight. They're gonna move this like.
I have a feeling it's going to pop to like the middle point.
The SpaceX shares indicated to open at $174 in Nasdaq debut versus IPO price of $135 per share.
Yo, that's freaking crazy. The little like squares.
I just locked in a fucking TPT payout.
Boom.
It's not a lot, but I'm taking it.
The way I have my chart, they're like 40 points apart.
Oh, yeah. So these are my pro accounts. I'll just fucking.
HER sitting at 54 again. Today.
Those are my pro accounts today. So the one just went over the buffer by $54. I'm taking that money.
There you go.
Yeah. And this other one's at the buffer. So now I'm going to trade this one and see if I can get a couple hundred. Locked. Locked it. All right, let's go back to all these TPT accounts that I'm just crushing. Probably just gave that up. Probably going to drop it back down to the...
Order filled.
Putin says Russia is actively working on production of drones equipped with AI.
Oh, awesome. It's just what I fucking need. Come on, come down, come down. Oh my god, it's not.
I know. I was trying. I took a little tiny stab short.
I thought we'd retouch 68. I might just wait. What up? I might just wait. The news comes out in 5 minutes.
5 minutes ago, to begin the University of Michigan sentiment prelim data forecast 46, prior 44.8. 5-year inflation prelim forecast 3.8%, prior 3.9. 1-year inflation prelim forecast 4.9%, prior 4.8. And expectations prelim forecast 44.9, prior 44.1. Conditions prelim forecast 46.1, prior 45.8.
Bro, I was looking at the fight cards coming up. Freaking July 11th is going to be freaking awesome. You got McGregor fighting and Gable Stevenson making his UFC.
Dude, that guy's a fucking monster.
I know.
I wonder. I mean, this is going to be the I want to see what he does in the UFC versus some better talent. Is that Sunday night?
Well, that particular fight is July 11th.
Oh, I thought it was all.
Casimir says June inflation data might
the UFC
be
freedom
decisive for July's decision.
Yeah, what time
Rate
Sunday though?
is not yet complete. Second round effects are lurking and will materialize. We can't exclude policy having to become restrictive.
Oh, it is? It's at night? I didn't know if they were doing it early because it was Sunday.
Casimir says economy is resilient enough to digest higher rates. Casimir finally says markets have good sense of this new good place. Senior U.S. administration official on Iran deal now says nuclear material will be destroyed and removed. Just again being cited by another major news wire here.
Gina Carano fight happened. It lasted 10 seconds.
Yo, did it even last 10 seconds?
Yeah.
I thought it was less.
All right, news comes out in 2 minutes, and leaf blower man's at my house. Fucking leaf blower man, bro.
Just blowing all over you. Yo, send a video to your wife. Put that in the background. Be like, at least someone's blowing me.
Yo, you see that short I have? Oh, it's some girl, and she's like, the blower's not working. Dude, I have it on my thing.
Bro, that was literally a casual 100 point.
I know.
200 points up.
You got a minute for news.
One minute ago to get the UMich sentiment prelim data.
It lasted 17 seconds. Bro, I could hold my breath longer than that fight lasted. Bro, if you think about it,
That
one
was
of the
straight
fighters
up
could have taken a
embarrassing.
deep breath, and then she would have not taken another breath until after the fight was done.
Yeah, that was straight up embarrassing. All right, here we go.
10 seconds.
10 seconds for news. And leaf blower man. Apparently in my fucking ear.
48.9, 48.9, high in the forecast of 46. 5-year inflation prelim 3.4%, lower in the forecast of 3.8%. 1-year inflation prelim 4.6%, lower in the forecast of 4.9%. Expectations prelim 49.3, 49.3, high in the forecast of 44.9. And University of Michigan
I hate how
conditions prelim
deceptive these
48.4,
candles look.
48.4,
Oh, yeah.
high in the forecast of 46.1. SpaceX, excuse me,
Yo, he's
Space
right there in the
stocks
room with
ETF
ya.
drops 5.9% as SpaceX indications come in.
Dude, that's fucking crazy. That's 200 points from the bottom.
Right up to VWAP.
That's 200 fucking points, man.
We have posted out the University of Michigan sentiment report on the feed for you
Just
to read through.
casual.
Yeah. Bro, like literally 5 months ago, if you went up 200 points in 10 minutes, like people would be like, holy shit, did you see that today? I mean, the ATR's got to be what? 70?
54 right now.
What is it?
54.
So if you're playing one mini, the ATR's $1,000.
Seeing the S&P 500 turning positive.
Took a little VWAP bounce.
Raw rejection.
Yeah.
Should come back down a couple of points here. Jeez. I'm kind of just waiting. I don't love what's going on here. Oh, you know what I need to do? Is it CQG? Is that what it's called? Yeah, here it is.
Nope.
I took a long just here, but I'm in like my stop is fucking large. I just want you to be aware of that. Like super large. This is what it looks like.
Super big.
Yeah.
We'll see NASDAQ 100 turning positive now.
This is what I'm looking for. And that's actually a funded account, by the way. Look.
At CISD.
Yeah, I'm playing around with it on the 5 for. I mean, honestly, I know people who make, TP is 501. Like, I'm aware of that, but I want to play it out. I want to see what happens. I want to see if it goes all the way back up to 648. And this is just an account I really don't give a shit about, even though it's a funded account. But if I get a payout, I get a payout. But I'd like to test this out. It's only 3 micros. So I'm just going to hang. We'll see what happens. I just wanted to show you, put it out there. I don't want to be like, yo, by the way, I made $500 million. All you guys looked at was Bookmap.
$1 million.
Yeah, the entry sucked. I'm well aware of that. I'm just kind of playing around.
If it breaks that top orb, it's gonna be fucking moving. I jumped in with you when it pulled back. When we retested VWAP, which I'm glad we did. Come on, get above that orb. Did we close above it? We did, slightly.
I like it.
There's 50 points right there. I'm going for 100.
Oh, look at this funded account. Boy, look at that freaking trade. I'm going to take this off. That's $400 and something.
Come on. 8 more points.
Called it. Yo, what'd you say? I bottle fed that?
Yo, yeah, I fucking bottle fed that motherfucker. Yo, fucking casual 100 points right there. Just a fucking casual 100 pointer.
Yeah. Was that what it was? Almost.
That's what I caught. I caught 100 points on that.
Yo, I got to go to the Hamptons this weekend and do some things at my place. And then that's Saturday. I'll be back Saturday night. And then I'll watch the Knicks game. And then Sunday, I got baseball myself. And,
Hell yeah. I'm hopefully going to be doing yard work. Fucking yard is overgrown like crazy right now. It's been raining so much.
I'm hoping to get a girls' softball playoff game on Sunday.
Nice.
Dude, that was such a good fucking call, by the way.
That was solid. I'll give you that.
Check my emails today. I will check my emails today.
Except for yours.
Yours just went to the end. I'm just messing her up.
Like, fucking A, it's the weekend now. He can check it anytime this weekend.
Good morning.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning, Murray.
Hey, that's cool. I don't even have to do anything. I'm just
I know,
connected,
so,
right?
It's so nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
This new setup is freaking awesome, Cove.
Yeah, you can just pop on.
It's just cleaner.
Yeah.
Don't have to worry about shit disconnecting. Murray, you take anything yet?
Not double clutching like you should.
Wait, what? Where the fuck did that come from?
When you're like not dropping the stream or something like that. I'm like, not double clutching like you should. It's just, I don't know why.
SpaceX remains in pre-launch status.
Just little fucking random snippets.
Yeah.
Dude, I watched fucking Old School last night when I was working on things. I just had it on in the background. Dude, I forgot how funny that movie was. All we could get is the small bottles of the KY jelly. If we ordered the industrial size, it's going to take 2 to 4 days.
Nasdaq adds
Who's that?
SpaceX IPO to open for trading.
Fucking Old School.
Oh.
My mama said if I drop out of college, she gonna kill me. Quincy, your mama ain't gonna kill you. No, she gonna kill me. She said, Quincy, if you drop out of college, I'ma kill you. And then she showed me the knife. I fucking died at that scene.
Oh.
When they do the fucking cinder block drop. Like, do you trust us? And then his goes through the fucking manhole. Marie, you ever seen that movie?
Uh-uh.
Oh, you need to watch it. It's a fucking
Okay.
classic. They're all like, they create like a fraternity. It's a bunch of, it's like Will Ferrell, fucking Owen Wilson's brother. I can't remember what his name is. And who's the other guy? Who's the other main guy, Cove? What's his name?
Fucking what? Vince Vaughn.
Vince Vaughn. Yeah. And they created like a fraternity.
Wait, you never seen Old School?
Now that you're saying it, it kind of sounds familiar. Maybe I did see it.
Kind of sounds familiar. I mean, this is like a generational movie.
Yeah, yeah. But they have them all lined up, and they're like pledging for the fraternity, and they all have cinder blocks tied to their dicks with rope. Well, the rope was supposed to be enough slack to go all the way to the ground, and one of them went through a manhole. It fucking tugged them all the way down. Oh man, I fucking died watching that.
Dude, they are first grader. Bro, I am fucking torching this guy who runs softball right now.
What did you do this time?
They don't want to give us. So I have a turf field in my town, which is our home field. My girls came in second place. I have home field advantage in the playoffs. I want.
You want them to play at your field?
Yeah. I want them to play at our field. I don't want to play. Their field is shit. Their field is shit. It's sand by the beach.
Order filled.
Our field is turf.
US Energy Chief, right?
Order
So
filled.
7 million barrels of oil a day leaving Persian Gulf.
Remember, it's just kids softball. Austin, my personality is much different than yours.
So
I
Energy
need to
Secretary
win
Wright, speaking
at every
the
aspect
Houston
of my
conference.
life. I win. I win at everything. I don't just play things for fun. Like, I'll joke around, but inside I'm competing at all times about everything. It being just softball, kids softball,
Doesn't
isn't.
fucking matter
Yeah,
what it is.
yeah.
Yo.
Yo, it doesn't matter if I'm playing co-ed softball with a bunch of dads the other night. I will throw that ball as hard as I can off the back of that girl's head to try to get an out. Yo, I don't care if she's knocked out for 5 minutes on the ground.
As long as you got the out.
I'm trying to get the out.
Crude and refined products.
Yeah, I'm about winning at all times in everything. You know, when that girl is face planted on the dirt, but I got her out, it's all I care about.
Fucking, it's just girls softball.
Yo, I am fucking full blown in
Yo,
this.
if you were like that,
We
Austin,
have
you wouldn't have
posted a
said
video
that
where Energy
comment.
Secretary Wright is speaking. Wright says that we
I'm
will
torching
restore
people
Hormuz
over here to
flows
get-
with or without Iran's help. Adding that no Iranian crude is getting out of the Strait of Hormuz.
If you ain't first, you're last.
SpaceX is set to top $2 trillion in
Dude.
market value in NASDAQ debut.
But Ricky, there's second place, there's third place, there's fourth place.
Bro. Yo, there's no participation trophies over here. I tell my kids that doesn't even count. I'm like, it's great you played, but you won a trophy. Like, you know, the reality is we lost. You know what I mean? And that's it. This new world that kids are in is, you know, what's going to happen is the kids are going to get into the workforce and they're going to be like, I need a safe space and, you know, all this other bullshit.
Fuck your
And they'll never succeed or, you know, or get told, you know, now's the time to learn life lessons. Dude, my kid was pitching yesterday and she throws hard at softball and she hit this girl in the knee and the girl just went on the floor like crying and shit. I went out to the mound and I was like, you all right? She's like, yeah, I feel so bad. I hit her.
Secretary Wright,
I was
he said
like,
that 7
honestly,
million
I don't
barrels
give a
day
shit
are
that you hit
leaving
her.
Persian
I was
Gulf.
like,
he just corrects
I was like,
himself in
I don't
the
care if you
live
hit the
stream
next
saying,
3 batters in a row. I was like, you just got to keep doing what you're doing and you don't worry about what happens on the other team. Like we're here to throw strikes, get outs. We're not going to not throw inside because you're afraid of hitting somebody. Like, sorry.
NG Secretary Wright says if there isn't a peace deal, U.S. military will restore flow of products through the strait. So NG Secretary Wright is saying, calling it the Arabian Gulf, not the Persian Gulf. This corrects himself.
What was your
on the live stream.
routine before going out and playing?
In college,
Yeah, what'd you do?
usually drank. Probably
Really?
did some weed.
like going to the game?
No, like the night before. I thought you were talking about. No, like going to the game.
Like right before the game.
So I used to come in relief. So in college, I came in relief. I started throughout in college. I was relieving, and I would just, dude, you just warm up. I fucking, they tell you if you're gonna go in that day. They're like, hey, just let you know you're first out of the pen, whatever. I didn't give a fuck, man. Like, my attitude is just like, I'm very much like, I don't care what the conditions are. Like, all anyone cares about is the end result. Like, no one's going to look back and be like, yo, Evan wasn't prepared for this. Oh, it was raining a little bit. Oh, it was cold out. Like, no one gives a shit about that.
Right, says
they're just going to look back and be like, yo, Evan gave up this amount of runs. You know what I mean? Like, and I think people focus on all like, oh, this, that, like, it's just result. Yeah, everything's about results.
No one had like a routine.
No, I didn't have no fucking routine, man. I had
a fucking routine.
Nah, I didn't have no nothing, man.
I had a fucking playlist and everything.
No. Nah, I ended up hurting myself beginning of sophomore year, and that was, I knew, even though I played the rest of the years, it was never the same. Yeah, like, I was a freshman, I was third on the team in conference ERA, like, I was looking really good. Like, I was gonna have like a solid role, and then I hurt myself at Seton Hall, and then the velocity just was never there, and obviously, throwing 84 is not gonna be great in college at Division I. So, but I made adjustments. I pitched junior and senior year just to get by, but I was really good freshman year, and then I started off sophomore year. Damn, gold is about to fucking unload.
NQ looks like it's trying to build out a top right here. Where's ES sitting at? ES is sitting at the top of their orb.
I'm going to take fucking MGC. Yeah, I just took gold short.
I took a little NQ scalp.
Yo, my brother asked me what my thoughts about SpaceX IPO were, and I played like 3 minutes of all these like random like fucking. I was like, my initial thoughts of SpaceX IPO are, and then I just played like 3 minutes of the Nick interviews where everyone's like, fuck this guy, like all this shit. And then he literally writes me back, bro, I just listened to the whole thing in hopes that at the end you're going to give your actual thoughts. And and you never did. I was like, bro, come on, man. He's like, I just wasted.
He's like, that's time I can't get back.
Yeah. I was like, bro, did you not laugh?
Does that come out? Did that come out today?
What?
SpaceX? Is that today?
Mm-hmm. This would be the bounce point right here.
According to CNN, citing U.S. defense official, that the U.S. shot down 2 Iranian attack drones last night.
I kind of like this
The
news
U.S.
thing.
military shot down 2 Iranian attack drones that were targeting vessels in the Strait of Hormuz last night.
I don't hear it on the back end over here.
And they say Iran attempted to strike commercial ships transiting the Strait of Hormuz, and U.S. forces shot down 2 Iranian one-way attack drones. Traffic flow through the Strait of Hormuz continues.
I mean, it looks like it wants to sell, but I don't think it will.
We have put out the article on the feed for you as well.
I think it's going to come up to at least 23 here.
Fuck. That was
Bro,
not
I just locked
fast
in.
enough.
I just was talking about it. I just locked in $115 on TPT payout. Here, I'll show you guys. Here's $115 and here's 54. So I just locked in $160 in payouts. I'm done. I'm not touching these fucking accounts now.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's a good ass Friday.
Now I just got to see what other accounts I have to dick around with on here before I shut it off. Bro, I had to make $782 in an account to get a fucking payout today. I knew that was going to be the bounce point.
Can't believe I missed that orb bounce.
I think it was a good. I mean, not only is it orb bounce, it's a 29,500, and I think there's still legs in it.
We got ES looking real dumpy.
So in a post on X, Israel's defense minister says Israel must ensure that it can act independently to prevent Iran from obtaining nuclear weapons. So the defense minister says that Israel expects Trump to stand firm on Iran nuclear principles, but again says that Israel must ensure that it can act independently to prevent Iran from obtaining a nuclear weapon.
Yeah.
U.S. Energy Secretary Wright says the U.S. will not impose an oil export ban to curb prices, and says
Order
a gas
filled.
tax holiday over the summer is possible to help reduce gasoline prices.
Come on. Oh, holla at your boy. Come on. I was just up $300 fucking dollars and it didn't. Oh my God. Why am I so greedy sometimes? Bro, I was just so greedy about that. So fucking greedy. Literally, I was up $300 and something and didn't take the money. I didn't even go to break even. Like, I should have at least gotten a break even.
The 15-minute chart does look good to the upside. I just popped over to it.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You couldn't a second ago.
Oh.
Oh, let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nope.
Bro, I didn't take my money again. I'm such a loser. Such a loser. Should I take my money now?
Israel's Hayom, citing Israel's Defense Minister Katz, says we expect Trump to stand by the principle that Iran will not be nuclear. Israel will not leave the security zone in Lebanon, Syria, and Gaza.
I think it's going to go. We got a new 15-minute candle right here. After what kind of looks like what you would call a rest candle.
Obviously, the issue is I'm in more contracts than I wanted to be. Oh.
Order filled.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, it's right there to fucking go.
No, don't stop me out. Oh, fuck me, man. I got these freaking tickets for this thing, and the guy was like, "Hey, can you accept them?" And I was like, "Yeah, I just gotta fucking set this app up." Chat is sad. Where is everyone today? Everyone's quiet. Watch. You know, they're here. Watch. Everyone all of a sudden is going to talk. You ready? Watch. Now you're going to see everyone talk. Everyone's going to be like, I'm here now. Yo, don't you dare put in the code if you didn't talk. Don't
Fucking
you put
Ron.
in the don't put in the code unless you talked.
SpaceX shares open at $172 in Nasdaq debut versus IPO price of $135 per share.
Bro, SpaceX is open. Oh no, I got it. Yo, give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back.
All right. Yo, Steven. I'm here. I'm here.
Again, SpaceX shares indicated open at $172 each.
Oh man, I'm so glad it's the freaking weekend.
Yeah. It was a weird week.
Yeah, it was a crazy week. Probably a stressful trading week for a lot of people.
Yeah. I was really up and down.
How you doing today?
Just a couple of scalps. I'm looking for a NQ entry. It hasn't set up yet.
Yeah, you looking to take it long?
Uh-huh.
I would love a nice little pullback to like the 420s.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, Code Marie's in here. She's just watching. She's waiting.
Can he not hear me?
No, he heard you.
Oh, okay.
Marie, so when are you gonna go on Fidias TV?
I don't know. Did Barbie message me? Let me see.
I think she said she did.
I went and looked through. Oh my God. So I went through my message requests.
Yeah.
And there was like 20 Barbies in there.
Oh no.
So I think I got the right one, but I'm not sure.
I think hers has like
Oh.
a tag on her name.
So let me see if someone's trying to sell me crypto.
I'm back.
You sound out of breath.
Dude, I just had to throw my trash out. Yeah. I had one really nice day this week. The rest of the time, I've been a degenerate.
I feel that, Chris. I fucking feel that.
Been there, man.
I don't know.
What the fuck was that? Oh, it's moving because of SpaceX. Whatever SpaceX is doing. Oh, Jesus. What is it? Motherfucker. It's open.
They opened it right now?
They're opening it like
SPCX.
Yeah, I have it up on my thing. It's set to open at 170.
It'd be so much fun to have millions and millions of dollars to invest in random shit like that.
Yeah, I mean, you can lose it also.
Yeah.
A guy I go to the gym with is responsible for $2 trillion.
Holy moly.
Yeah, it's fucking. You know who goes to my gym? Rick Reeder from BlackRock.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I didn't even know it was him for 2 years actually. I was shooting the shit with him at the gym, and then not to sound weird, but we'd use the sauna together because there's like a group. So there's like a group of guys that work out, and then we all go to the sauna. We all want to go home,
Security executive briefing.
Shower, and get ready for work at the same time. But we all are like, we all basically have the same mindset. We all talk about the same shit and whatnot. And he was part of the group, and I didn't even know who he was. And then one day we were just hanging out, and I was like, we're talking about what we were doing, and he's like, yeah, I'm going on CNBC today. And I was like, he's like closing bell, and I was like, oh, that's cool, man. And then I looked, and it was him.
Wow.
And yeah, I was like, oh shit. He almost took over Jerome Powell's job. He was being tossed around in the very beginning as the person to take over.
At first, when you said Rick, I was thinking Ric Flair.
Yeah. Nah.
You go to the gym with Ric Flair.
Rick Reeder was annoyed that I guess people want to put a cap on them buy, like what they're allowed to buy and not buy pertaining to single family homes.
So now, if you run into him at like industry events, he'll be like, "Hey,
Sauna guy.
you're the guy I know from the sauna."
Yeah, well, it was funny because he asked me what I do, and I kind of explained it. He's like, "Oh, that's like private equity." Yeah, I was talking about trading. That's the stuff I do outside of here. I was like, kind of, but not at that level. But I didn't realize who he was. I was just like shooting the shit. I talked to him about the Nick game and whatnot. But like, dudes are so thirsty to talk to him about like, yo, what do you think about the Iranian war? What do you think about inflation? Because there's a lot of finance guys in there. I was like, bro, this guy fucking talks about that shit all day. Like, just let the guy chill out and talk about shit that he wants to talk about. That's probably why I got along so well with him for so long, like for a while. It's just like I wasn't hitting him up for any info. I was just shooting the shit about sports and whatnot. It's like finally somebody doesn't want to just talk about finance. Dude, the fact that this didn't take out the high is crazy.
Yeah, to me that says we're going to go down. The 5 minutes candles just have wicks to the upside. Couldn't fucking push.
I was just looking at what the 50% retracement is on. If they lose tomorrow, yo, DBT, can you imagine if the Knicks win at home on game 6? That's more of the can you imagine thing to me. Can you imagine if they win game 6 at home?
Yo, they're going to have to beef up security for the Spurs.
Bro. Yo, I've seen videos. Yo, people are like, yo, if he's wearing a Spurs jersey, beat him down. I was like, what the fuck?
It's fucked up, man.
It's so fucked up. Yo, they're just ripping jerseys off people that wear. If you're wearing,
Just a heads up, SpaceX COO currently speaking CNBC.
if you're
So
wearing
they
a
wanna make
Spurs
sure
jersey,
that
they're gonna rip it
the
off you
US
at
has
Madison
access
Square
to
Garden.
leading tech.
Also,
Again,
I'll be
so they
honest
want
with
to
you,
make
like
sure that the US government has access to leading tech.
it's kind of on you for
S&P
doing that
500 up
because you're doing
0.2%,
that
Dow up 0.5%,
knowing
Nasdaq
what could
flat.
happen. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, but you should be able to wear your team's jersey.
I know, but
It's fucked up that they're doing it like that.
it's fucking. I don't even. I kind of want to go down there. Do you see Sherp? How do you say his name? Ian. Is it Sherpit? What the fuck is his name? Right? Bro, who the fuck was the basketball guy? There was one of the old players walking around outside Madison Square Garden the other day. I'm trying to think who it was. I thought it was.
Dude, did you see the Charles Barkley Shaq interview halftime?
Well, what did they say?
Fucking, they were talking about the game, and then they were like, you know, the game's good, but Cardi B's up there distracting. And then Shaq goes, Cardi B's? You mean Cardi D's?
Oh,
Order
jeez.
filled.
Nasdaq 100
Yeah.
now turning negative.
I love Shaq, man.
I was like, damn, Shaq.
Shaq is out of control, dude.
I was like, that's fucking funny, though.
White House trade advisor Navarro on X says the latest CPI PPI reports point to an energy-driven price shock, not an overheated economy.
All right, are we going to hold this area?
I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for like an inversion or something on the 1 minute to get like in on this.
I'm in.
I want to see like 462, and I'm probably gonna add. Oh wow, this account's fucking smoked. I gotta.
Order filled.
Need some greens here.
Order filled.
Tesla shares reversing course, last down 1.3%.
Dude, this dump is SpaceX. This dump is SpaceX. I wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't play out because SpaceX opens and SpaceX just dumps at open. How's that sound?
That'd be wild.
It's probably going to dump at open. Why? Like, honestly, why wouldn't it dump at open? Well, you know why? Why would you not dump it open? It's going to be a bunch of profit taking. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't know. I mean,
Yo, this SpaceX thing's going to fucking unload the market, I think.
Order filled.
I think that's what's going to destroy any technical play that you want to kind of play.
Order filled.
Right? It's the SpaceX IPO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
technicals go out the window.
Yeah. Just my opinion.
Just keep an eye on the sectors that are moving the most. So energy in the S&P 500, the most positive at about up by about 1.61%, and consumer discretionary, the weakest of all the sectors, down by about 1.49%.
Yeah, I just wouldn't be surprised to see it bring it all out. Just carnage. I see SpaceX dropping already. I mean, it doesn't have to. I'm just saying I can just see it. You know what I'm saying?
We'll see what happens. What's it looking like right now?
Well, it was at 170. It's at 165. I have a feeling that as soon as it opens,
What time is it supposed to open?
soon, you're gonna want to watch. You're gonna want to be trading when it opens. I kind of want to just buy 3 short and see what happens.
And a nice long on gold.
Damn, this thing just.
Unload it.
I know.
You guys short?
So right now at the top of the hour,
Yeah, I got in
Trump
on that
has
pop-up.
participated in a pre-taped
short.
podcast with the second lady. Minor, this is closed press. It's supposed to happen in the Oval Office, but as I said, it's pre-taped, so probably won't get any comments at 11, but it's a heads up that he's supposed to be speaking to a reporter or on a podcast at 11 a.m. Eastern time.
Whoa, dang.
Holy fuck, that just took me out though.
Whoa, I just made another $300 on gold on that.
I didn't get tagged in, so
Holy shit.
yeah, that SpaceX just opened probably.
Crap. Look at that.
Something just fucking happens.
Wow.
I don't hear anything.
Iran's Foreign Minister Arakchi on X says the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding has never been closer. Pending its finalization, the media should refrain from entering speculation about its content. In line with our responsible and transparent approach, all details will be shared with the public in due course. So again, Arakchi on X says
Order
Islamabad
filled.
MOU
Order
has
filled.
never been closer. Pending its finalization, media should refrain from entering speculation about its contents. Did see a little bit of movement towards the upside on the S&P 500.
You hear the news?
And a little bit of downward movement on the Dixie.
No, I
Not so
don't.
much there.
Oh,
Had WTI crude oil seeing a decline off the back of Arakchi's post on X.
Order filled. Order filled.
dude, that's the perks of having this on.
What'd they say?
So oil prices extending decline sharply. Brent trading near $88 a barrel post Iran's Foreign Minister Arakchi's post on X. Also, reminder there were reports early in the week that
What's
Arakchi
the
is
news
supposed to
saying
be
about
traveling
it?
to Pakistan on Saturday.
I don't know if Cove can hear us.
Yeah, I can. I'm just in thought trying to just make it Monday. I don't have a girl Sunday.
Oh, the Islamabad, I guess, understanding has never been closer. That's what they just said.
Cool Weave is to join NASDAQ 100 index.
I'm almost at my target.
Just keep an eye on the SP 500, continuing to move higher. Post Cheese comments on X.
Yeah.
See, just slightly moving
So you
down
get
further.
whoever's listening to our stream is basically getting the news before it's out there. You guys hear it?
So S&P 500 extending gain now to 0.5%.
I'm out. That was good.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, Marie.
That's solid.
That was a fucking good move.
Yeah, I should have held that long with you.
So I didn't even realize it that that news came. Now that we're getting the news early, there's much more juice left in the move.
What are you watching for the news?
Financial juice.
Oh.
I'm just streaming it.
Where are you streaming it?
On the website.
Well, that's cool. All right, I'm going to record my trade here. Oh, wow, it's the 12th already? Holy crap.
Damn, Amazon's even down more today.
Wait, that's not right.
I'm buying some Amazon flips, by the way.
Well, I'm up 700.
There you go.
Boom.
Yeah, I was complaining.
NASDAQ 100
it was kind
extends
of a shitty day,
gains
but it's actually
0.5%.
not.
No, it can all turn around in one trade.
Yeah. Actually, the trade was perfect. I mean, it was really fast, but it was perfect.
It's all it takes. One trade. It's that easy. See, guys, it's that easy. You just got to get in right before the news happens.
I mean, sometimes you have to wonder, like, why does it line up perfectly with the chart patterns? You know what I mean?
I think the same thing sometimes. I'm like, is that guy fucking watching this?
Yeah.
I think what happens is if people that have access to the news before you do, so when it starts to like, it's going down, and then it starts to get bought up, it's them buying it, and it makes the chart look like a reversal before the news actually hits. So like, I've been told, I don't know like how true this is, but like I've been told like, you know, like hedge funds employ people like all over, like the larger funds, like, I don't know, like say they were looking to invest in, you know, Amazon's a bad example, but say some company, right? Like they'll pay somebody to sit like kind of outside and just count how many trucks are coming in and out all day. You know what I mean? Like anything to get like an edge
Oh wow.
before they invest in something. Like, you know, I like when I was on Etsy, like I had hedge funds calling me about my thoughts on Etsy, how much I was selling, like to get all the data from me.
Oh, that's interesting.
You know, like they have guys that are just out there gathering. It's not inside information, but it's inside information on any investment. So I wouldn't be surprised if they have guys in the fucking, you know, by Iran looking at whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, none of it would surprise me. Or they're tracking movements, or, you know, nowadays all the flights are all tracked, obviously. I don't know. I just know.
US stocks extending gains, Dow Jones up 1.01%. Exxon is said to study ways to grow LNG, grow in LNG in Asian markets. JD Vance on X says, saying, I'm seeing a lot of fake info about the potential deal to reopen the Strait and end Iran's nuclear program. Says that Iranians are not receiving any cash. No funds are being released for simply signing a deal or attending a meeting. They say, Vance says, if Iran meets its obligations, then economic benefits will flow to them and to the entire region.
I guess now we just wait for this motherfucker to come out.
I'm gonna put a bounce here. That's a you know what type of move that was? That was a 300-point move.
Wow.
Yeah, that's fucking insane. We still haven't even taken out London highs yet.
Order filled.
I mean, what is 100 points nowadays, anyways?
Fucking chump change. I'm going to get some coffee real quick.
Getting coffee real slow would be like an oxymoron.
Come on. Dude, there's so many fucking... Dude, this is a shitstorm. Oh, dude. I have I can't even imagine. I can't even tell you how many text messages I have right now for fucking this softball shit.
Really?
You have no idea. I have 2 group messages, and then I have 3 other messages going on, all because they wouldn't give me the good field. I am, bro. Nick's getting at 6 back home. Fucking hide your kids, hide your wife. Fucking, it's gonna be wild if Nick's grabbing at home. Yeah. They don't want to give me the turf field because the boys want it. Fuck, like, listen, I coach boys also, and I am full blown in on girls softball, which I never thought I would be. But I coach a boys baseball team, and he was talking about them. I literally said my girls softball team will beat your boys baseball team, and anytime you want to play, let me know. He looked at me like I was crazy. I was like, I'm just all in. I'm all in. I got such good girls. It's so crazy.
That's awesome. I bet they love it too.
Oh, yeah. Somebody asked me yesterday, we were playing a team. She's like, how do you get the girl? She's like, how many girls do you have on your team? I was like, we have 11. She's like, how do you get such high attendance? I was like, we're just having a good time. Like, That's it. We just have a good time. You dump it there at $60 and be done, man.
Green is green. Did you say rollover was next week?
It's got to be coming up soon. It's got to be coming up soon. Because, yeah, it's got to be coming up soon. Dude, where is everybody today? Bang Trades just left. I got some SEP rollover. Oh, you rolled over already?
I didn't get a rollover. Yeah, I rolled over I did gold. I did the gold rolled.
That was like a couple weeks ago, though. Like a week ago.
Order filled. Order filled.
I meant to buy that mouse. That one I wanted to buy 6, but when I bought 6, it reminded me of I wanted to get the mouse. Just fucking crazy. What do you think about that red dragon? I gotta look.
Red dragon mouth.
I don't know which one that is. I gotta look.
What is a red dragon mouth?
I gotta scroll back. People put all types of stuff. It might be a joke. I don't know. I gotta go look though.
I mean, it sounds awesome.
You have to call me Nighthawk. You have to call
Boy, the red dragon.
Sounds like a sex toy, to be honest with you.
I thought the same thing.
Going home and whipping out the red dragon.
Yeah.
Are we not going to get my order right there? Are you kidding me? Are you effing kidding me? Oh, dude, come on.
Order filled.
Not fucking losing on this. Break it.
Order filled.
It's real. I gotta hit my alarm button. Payout. Sit. Hey. I got this alarm. It's freaking bugging me out right now. I'm glad I got out of that. Hold on. I gotta go turn this thing on. Hold on a second.
Well, doesn't look like I missed anything.
Yeah.
Kind of going nowhere. Marie, what you got going on this weekend?
I'm working on some illustrations.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what I plan on doing.
For anything like in particular?
Yeah, I'm trying to
Oh.
Of course, Cove comes in
Back.
making loud noises as Marie's talking.
What? What happened?
Marie's telling us what she's doing this weekend.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm working on some publishing stuff like I was telling you about. Was that last night? Or this morning? I don't know when I was talking to you about it, but yeah, so I'm doing some illustrations.
You gonna be writing any songs?
I need to do that also. Actually, now that I got that Rammstein song out of my system, I think I could use some other stuff.
Wait, what? What was that?
Distracted for like a week.
Just had to get that one out of your system.
Yeah.
How to do it? Yeah, we're doing Lucid today. I'm gonna do Lucid giveaway today. Oh, look at this shit. It's going?
It's going. There's London highs finally.
Man, I could have stayed in that thing.
That was a good trade, Marie.
Yeah.
The problem is, like, if you go to play like the 50% pullback, like you'd have had to hold that down like 80 points.
Mm-hmm.
That's so crazy.
That's why I'm not really doing that anymore.
It's just the environment we're in makes it like you gotta go like one micro.
What I took, that's not what I did on NQ. What I did on NQ is I took it where it retested that fair value gap on the 5 minute.
That was a smart play.
Yeah, so if it broke that candle, I was going to be out. And I was looking for 3R and I got about 2.5. So that was pretty good. I'm doing good with that trade. I've been working on it for a while.
U.S. Vance, I'm seeing a lot of fake information about a potential deal to reopen the strait and end Iran's nuclear weapons program. First, the Iranians are not receiving any cash and no funds are being released for simply signing a deal or attending a meeting. Just an FYI. I saw that. Yeah. Trump's not giving them any money. Yeah. Kind of felt like that was coming. Getting paid. No, not today. That's for shit sure.
No money for you.
Yeah, fucking money. That'd be crazy if you think you're getting money. You know, because she threw that whole thing how Obama gave them all the cash and shit. Like, he can't then turn around and give them cash and do the same thing Obama did. You know, like, you know what that would look like after he talked so much shit about Obama giving them, I don't even know how much money Obama gave them.
Billions.
Right? It was, right?
I think so.
So according to an ABC headline here, the US is moving forward with signing ceremony plans, but deal still needs final approval from Iran. Again, ABC News citing sources.
For us, $1.7 billion, and that is, you know, a while ago. And then he gave them access to regain 50 billion to 100 billion of its previously frozen foreign funds. Yeah, he gave them a ton of money. Gave them access to a ton of money. Stupid play. They're never going to be our friends, ever. I think that's what people don't understand. Like, they think like if we play nice, like Iran is going to become buddy with us.
No, not going to happen.
It's never going to happen. Their country is based on religion, essentially, and it's one religion, not multiple religions. It's you follow this one thing, and that's it. And it's a dictatorship.
Yep.
So if you don't follow this one religion, it's hard to get along. You know, if they only follow one religion and it's a dictatorship, you're never going to like make friends with them if you're not in the same religion. So it's never going to work out.
The religion is the government.
Yeah, it's the government and what, you know, all the other shit that they believe. So, you know, costs trillions. I don't know. Market's up. I don't know. I mean, I think the market was at like 25,000 before this happened. We're up about 20%.
Chevron's worth. So Chevron sees flows, not quite as much as Energy Secretary Wright's view.
you got to think, who's it costing money? Like, that money's being used.
CEO Mike Worth speaking at the Bloomberg event in Houston. The video is already on the feed. Just kind of scroll down a little bit, or just click on the economic hand on the left-hand side under Energy Secretary Wright's name.
Like, if you think about it, that money's being used into the U.S. defense, which is providing jobs for people, you know. So, like, that money that's being spent is really going back into the United States. Yeah, taxpayers into tax-paying jobs. It also made people buy oil from us through Venezuela and other places. You know, wars, if you look at previously how it works, is wars turns the economy up. It provides jobs. If there's no war, they're going to start laying people off at a lot of these things. It's just go back and look. War is typically good for the economy. It's maybe not what the 5 companies that own the media are telling you, but if you look at the economy during war times, it's a positive for the economy. But the 5 companies that own all these media is told you there's no laptop also. Told you a lot of fucking lies. It told you that the government wasn't hushing any information until Elon bought X and then released all the FBI files that then told everybody what they were doing behind the scenes. Bro, that was crazy, by the way, when Elon bought X and started unloading the files that the government reached out to Twitter about hushing all the information that was true.
Fucking hysterical. For
the election. Yeah, telling people that all these Russian things aren't true and Biden laptop, that doesn't exist. And they want you to ban all this stuff on social media. And Elon outed it all about what the government's doing. Yeah, they basically fed you propaganda. And then people voted for Biden. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened, is they fed you propaganda and everyone believed it. About a lot more than just that.
This thing's just cruising.
Yeah, it is.
It's crazy, man. Government was at Facebook, and then Zuckerberg testified and said that he was the government reached out to him to shadow ban any story related to all these things. Like, doesn't really sound like free speech. Yo, man, that's the truth. Isn't that what the news guy's still on? Nothing new is coming out. That's the truth, though. It's out there. They were shadow banning all these stories about all types of things. Yeah, I thought chemtrails didn't exist either. That was false until Dubai did it. And,
fucking chemtrails.
Right? Fucking people were like, chemtrails is fake, and then Dubai puts stuff up in the air, electrocutes it, and creates rain and floods out fucking their entire city. I mean, there's patents out there. Even Bill Gates came up with one to put a bunch of dust in the air to reflect, not in the air low, like super high, but to reflect the sunlight to reduce heating of the earth.
And you got good old Alex Jones calling most of this out, telling us that they're turning the frogs gay.
Yo, I don't. Some of it's too wild for me, but a lot of it's out there, man. Like, like Zuckerberg is fucking testifying in Congress about it.
Oh, I totally agree.
It's crazy. And
I just won't get over that fact when he said that.
Who shot JFK? I don't know. I don't go down like crazy rabbit holes, but like,
just keep an eye on the equity indexes. S&P 500 continuing to extend its gains here. post her cheese comments on X.
This thing just keeps going.
You know, birds aren't real.
Yeah, I mean, shit, birds aren't. I mean, some of the shit's just crazy. But I do know that they made like fake mosquitoes and fake birds with like little like cameras and shit on them. Like that's not out of the realm of, you know, why would you not make a fake bird and make it like a drone type thing? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I think they actually have those over in China.
I would do it. I mean, that makes the most sense, is to make something look real that's everywhere that you wouldn't even look twice about. That's a news guy. He's under my desk. No, I'm just joking.
What's he doing under your desk?
It's tying my shoe. The government is not your friend. It is not. Yeah, what up, Martin? Oh my God, bro. This softball thing is going to be the end of me. Bro, you want to see how many fucking text messages I have about softball? You ready for this? I have one. All right, this is one person, two people.
So according to CNN,
one group chat,
admin official that Iran
another group chat,
nuclear program, and
then I go on a game changer. So and there's three game changer.
CNN citing what's been said earlier on from Fox
three
News
game changer group chats about this.
Wider notation here.
Fuck me, man. And then you know what it is? I tell one group like, "Can we play? Are you available on Monday?" And then that group is having a conversation with that, and then the other group is like, "Oh, not so. Like, are you guys good for Sunday?" And then another group is like, "I thought we weren't doing Sunday." I was like, "No, that changed now. Now we're not doing Sunday." But then the other group is still talking about Sunday and about can we move it? And I'm like, so then I got to be like, "Hey guys, I canceled Sunday," and then the other group is like, "Oh, okay, I just saw you said." Like, the flow of information is not all the same for all the groups, because some groups I don't want to tell about yet. So they're still talking about an issue that's not even there anymore. And then the other group is like, "I thought that issue was gone." And I'm like, "No, the issue is gone. I just haven't relayed the message to them yet." And it's just going throughout. It's just going throughout all this shit.
It's a terrible cycle.
The problem is I need 6 girls. There's 6 girls that I need to show up. My top 6 girls. Actually, I need 5 girls. My top 5 girls I need to show up. One of them is my daughter. And then 2 others are definitely in, and this 4th is in. And then like the rest of them, not that I don't care about, but like if I'm going to win a playoff game, I need these 5 girls. You know, they're 5 girls that will just. I sound like I'm running a softball HOA. Yeah, it's crazy. It's parents, coaches, head of softball. The problem is the head of softball is Saul. He's too nice of a guy. He's a super nice guy, and you just kind of go with the flow. I coached with him. So how you coach is 3rd and 4th graders are on the same team, and then 5th, 6th, and 7th are on the same team. So he moved up. We coached together last year. His daughter's 1 year older. So he moved up, and I took over the team. But he's too nice. Like, so when they're like, "Oh, you know," they just fucking boss him around. And homie don't play that. I don't play that game. I'm in it.
In it to win it.
Dude, we fucking crushed it this morning. I don't know about you guys, but maybe you guys are down because you're watching Patrick and some of the other guys that don't show. You're watching the guys that don't show their account numbers and only show you wins, and then you wonder why you guys lose. But anyways, yeah, I absolutely crushed it today. I locked in 2 payouts with TPT.
Boom.
These are up. I think the only ones that are down is this eval. Yeah. I got one eval that's down. Like, I'll take that all day. SpaceX opens in 2 minutes. Yo, $60.
Shit.
Bro, you know what some dude is doing for $60 on Craigslist? Probably 3 different things that you don't even want to know about. He's only getting $20, so he's got to meet up with 3 people. I love that though. People watch these guys that don't show account numbers and don't show the trades beforehand, and then they wonder why they're fucking losing. And I'm like, bro, because they're not even winning. They're just showing you the wins. If they're not really winning, you're not going to win by watching it. And I'm not saying I'm the only guy. There's a handful of really good guys out there, but there's a lot of fucking trash of guys that are just faking it. I wonder what fucking what's his face is doing. Lambo. I haven't seen that guy in a while. He was scamming people.
I would assume still scamming people.
Yeah, he was scamming people. From the guy. They delayed again. This market's gonna go fucking. I think it's gonna dump at open on SpaceX. Yo, SpaceX keeps going down. It's now 155. Yo, full tilting. Yo, when you have some guy on your stream called Hide the Cucumber, I mean, I don't know what else to say. Also, I'll be honest with you, it's so much easier trading real money than fake money. Just an FYI. Not fake money, but like prop with rules and constraints and consistency. That's so much harder than just being able to buy and just hold until it goes your way. Like you can hold in drawdown with a live account, no big deal. Prop account will blow. That's why you see guys like, think about it. Like, so argument's sake, you follow some guy that trades a live account, right? Most likely his trades would blow you out of drawdown. You know, take, I don't know, Rips, for example. Like I've never seen him take a prop firm payout really, like very rarely. And he'll say he trades live. The reason he trades live is because he can't conform to the rules of a prop firm. And that's not knocking him. It's just, it's not for him. But if you're watching it and you're trading a prop firm and he's trading a live account, it's 2 different things. You know, I'm not saying he can't trade. It's just what he trades is probably not good if you're trading a prop firm. That's like guys who trade options buying premium versus myself who sells premium. We're doing 2 different things. It's like 2 different assets. Trading live is much different than trading a prop firm in all aspects of it. Bro, this might go down like 300 points on the SpaceX Open.
Yeah, whenever it decides to freaking open.
Yeah. It's going to bounce right here. Got that hopium? Yeah, you can bank with leaps, you know, but if I'm buying leaps and you have a $5,000 account and you can't afford to buy, say I buy 15 leaps of different companies, right? And you can't afford to buy 15 different companies, then you shouldn't be following me because I'm going to be like, I'm up, and you're going to be like, well, I can't follow that. So then you're wasting your time watching that. You know what I'm saying? Like if you can't replicate what the person is doing based on what you're trading and what you're doing, you're just wasting your time.
Just Trump on Truth Social, just reposting Arakchi's comment that he made on X. So again, Trump on his Truth Social, just posting a picture of Arakchi's comments that he made on X that the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding has never been closer. But he doesn't add any context to it.
You guys hear the news guy though?
No.
Oh, you don't, because you're listening to me not on the stream.
Right. Oh, you were asking the people in the chat?
Yeah. I just want to make sure that they hear it. They were just talking, Trump reposted something.
Oh.
Holy fuck. I just got out of a short scalp 2 seconds ago. Bro, it's open. It's got to be open. Oh, yeah, it is open. SpaceX just opened.
Oh, shit. Oh, look at that.
I just saw it move on Tasty Trade. It stopped.
Yeah, I was in a scalp too. You can see my little arrow right at the bottom of the candle.
That Squirt's been reading. I just saw it move on Tasty and it's not there. It's not moving anymore.
Huh.
Oh, this thing's going to just freaking dump. That's my bias. You know, I'm going on PPTV in 20 minutes. I was hoping to trade this on here.
Oh, cool.
Just fucking dump it out. I think this SpaceX IPO is just going to absolutely dump the market. Wait 15 minutes and it's probably going to have a dead cat bounce. Fidias, I'm going to go on there and ask them if I'm going to get if they're going to pay me my money that they owe me.
I was cracking up when you were talking about that.
Fucking.
You're like, yeah, they'll send you to live in a week.
Yeah, they'll send you live right when you're about to request 6 to 2. Just right when you're about to request a ton of money, they'll send you to live. I'm waiting for that big fucking daddy candle down.
Oh, keep fucking dumping.
Yeah.
Oh, $300 on 2 micros right now.
According to shipping sources, they say that Gulf oil supply cut stand at 5 to 6 million barrels per day, much smaller than the original estimate of 12 to 15 million barrels per day. Gulf and oil supply rises as millions of barrels per day escape from was undetected, again according to traders and ship trackers.
I don't know how they're escaping unless we're just letting them escape, because the boats don't go that fast. You know what I'm saying? Watching this thing. It's not even open yet. I don't know why they keep fucking delaying it. Probably people are trying to sell the fuck out of it and they need buyers. Anybody want to hold this thing? That's probably what's happening. I don't know why it keeps getting delayed. It's on the hard to borrow list. Just dump it. Yeah, it just keeps going lower.
CNBC says SpaceX is trading is to start in 5 minutes. Again, SpaceX is to start trading in 5 minutes.
Bro, nobody wants that shit. Who's buying SpaceX up here? Yeah, 5 minutes.
Do I just hold this until the end of time?
I don't know. I've been scalping it here and there.
I'm up $400 on 2 micros.
Dude, this thing's going to suck the liquidity out. This market's going to dip on. I mean, I've been saying it.
Order
It's
filled.
100 points right now that I'm up.
I might get stopped out here, but I think it was worth 3 micros. If I get stopped, I get stopped, but I might hold this through the open.
So reminding them with SpaceX shares that earlier on they indicated to open at $150 compared to their
SpaceX,
IPO
just fucking
price
drop already.
of $135 per share.
Just give us the fucking news. Just do the IPO drop. Give us our money.
Come on. Come on, little buddy. Bro, it just keeps going lower and lower. Don't chase. Do not chase. Do not chase.
Israeli military says sirens regarding hostile aircraft infiltration were sounded in several areas in northern
I feel
Israel.
like I should just take my $500.
I mean, I would be moving my stop down. Problem is, when SpaceX comes live, you might get wicked out.
I took my $500.
Yeah.
We were right at the, was that the 200?
Yeah.
I mean, I was up 150 points almost.
I gotta get on PPTV. I'll be back at 2 p.m.
See ya.
All
All right. If you want to watch, it's Fidias TV.
Okay.
Fidias. All right. Peace.